The wife of naturalized Canadian citizen Hussein Jalil says she hasn't seen her husband in 15 years. Jalil, who is Uyghur, is in a Chinese prison for charges related to his support of the rights of the Muslim minority group in northwest China. He was arrested in his wife's native Uzbekistan and deported to the People's Republic.
Since 2006, I think, 2006, which is they arrested him, I haven't seen him, I haven't talked to him. How I'm gonna have chance to meet with him? I haven't seen him since 2006.
She and her husband became naturalized Canadian citizens in 2005. She now lives in Burlington, Ontario, where the couple's 4 sons also reside. One son has a disability.
Come, Mohammed. Come.
Jalil's wife says her hopes were renewed when China released 2 Canadian citizens in September, Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor, at the same time that Canada released Chinese citizen and Huawei executive Ming Wangzhou to the People's Republic.
We have seen the proof they got deal with China. They brought them home to Canada, to Michaels. So that's my hope, They're going to do more for my husband to bring him home.
But experts say that China refuses to recognize Jalil's Canadian citizenship. Citizenship was not a major factor in the September release of the 2 Michaels. Guy Saint-Jacques was the Canadian ambassador to China from 2012 to 2016 and worked on Jalil's case.
The key question is, for us, of course, he is a Canadian citizen, but China has always refused to recognize his citizenship. They said that he had acquired this citizenship illegally, despite the fact that, in fact, he followed all due process, met Canadian requirements to get his citizenship. He even renounced his Chinese citizenship because he had informed the Chinese embassy. But of course, this is another example of China doing what it wants.
Saint-Jacques and other diplomatic experts call on China to give the Canadians access to Jalil. Amnesty International urges China to return him to Canada.
It would certainly be the right thing for China to do. China's standing in Canada has suffered huge harm over the imprisonment of the 2 Michaels, but also over the imprisonment of Mr. Jalil. You don't see a story on China these days without mention of Mr. Jalil, and it's going to be an ongoing thorn in China-Canadian relations.
Meanwhile, Jalil's wife waits and worries.
So where is he? Is he alive or what? That's what, my big concern.
The Chinese embassy has not responded to VOA's request for comment on the case. Laurel Bowman, VOA News, Washington.